Located on the 5-acre island on the edge of Finland's Archipelago National Park, Project O, where O means an island in Swedish, is a self-sufficient 2-summer cabin houses. There are living spaces and bedrooms, as well as a workshop and sauna. The cabin set slightly raised above the rocky side on wooden decking, accessed via a series of steps and walkways that provide a connection with the landscape in every direction. The design of the cabins draw inspiration from traditional Finnish archipelago aesthetics. The simple cabins are clad in vertical wooden planks and topped with gabled roofs, with long eaves and extended gutters. The cabins are long and narrow, with large windows that take advantage of the views. For both cabins, either end is separated by a central covered outdoor area, which in the main building separates the living space from the bedrooms and washroom. They also allow various functions, like entertaining at one end, while children sleep in the other. In a covered open section, there's an outdoor dining area and kitchen. Inside, there's a matte black kitchen and living room that also has a lofted sleeping area. The living space is defined by a large black wood-burning stove at its center. Interiors have been kept simple, lined with horizontal wooden planks with black fixings and cabinets. The cabins allow for 10 adults to sleep comfortably if needed. In order to be completely self-sufficient, the cabins source their energy from roof-mounted solar panels and use filtered seawater for drainage, sinks and toilets. Hot running water is produced with a sauna stove, and the same system provides heating to the floors. These decked outdoor areas continue and wrap around the cabins themselves, creating elevated seating areas overlooking the landscape. All of the individual spaces have been designed to be as compact as they can without compromising the functionality and comfort. Steps lead from the cabins down to a deck that's nestled between the rocks, and attaches to a small jetty. Here's a look at the plan.